Ciao a tutti! Hi everybody! Today we're going to make loaded Salisbury steak in a decadent mushroom sauce. Welcome to Nona's Italian Kitchen. I'm Roz Carreri. Andiamo a cucina! The ingredients are listed in the description below. Start by grating your onion and then add that grated onion to the breadcrumbs. Now you want to mix the onion and breadcrumbs together. Break up your ground beef and then add that breadcrumb mixture to the ground beef. Whip up your eggs and add them to the meat mixture. Add some ketchup or tomato paste, some Dijon mustard, the beef bouillon paste, and some Worcestershire sauce. And now add the cream. This is just going to be heavenly. Add oregano and Italian seasoning. Now pound your garlic cloves. It's easier to peel when you do it this way. And then you want to mince the garlic. And now you're ready to add it to the meat mixture. And with your hands, mix it all together well. Then you want to form patties or steaks about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Pour olive oil into a frying pan and place the steaks into the pan. Now you want to cook these until they're nice and dark brown. Now chop up some more onion and remove the steaks from the pan. Now saute the onions in the grease until they're golden brown. Then add the mushrooms and stir those until they are also golden brown, keeping the brown bits on the bottom of the pan. Now add some more butter and stir to blend it all together. Now add some flour to thicken up the sauce. Pour and stir in the beef broth. Continue to stir while the sauce thickens. And now add in the cream and thoroughly mix it in. Add more Worcestershire if you desire, more butter if you desire, add more ketchup or tomato paste if you desire, and any more seasonings to your preference level. Place the steaks back in the sauce to reheat them. Remember, they were setting out aside, and now you want to bring them back to a hot temperature. And then you want to spoon the sauce all over so that the steaks absorb this delicious sauce inside. Plate your steaks when they're hot. Now the sauce is kind of messy as you're plating, but just wipe it off with a clean cloth. Ladle the mushroom sauce over the steaks and serve with mashed potatoes. Green beans are also nice. Buon Appetito. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and click the like button.